As a CPA, I need to create fiscal years and open periods quickly and easily. I need access to financial information everywhere, whether I'm at the office or on a business trip, and for multiple companies. In this scenario, learn how Acumatica allows you to create fiscal years and manage the periods you need to post transactions to. After signing into Acumatica, I can view the master financial calendar to see the last financial year created. From this window, you can review, generate, and delete financial periods. As a CPA, I might want to create my next fiscal year in advance. This is easy. Select Generate Calendar. From this screen, Acumatica gives you a snapshot of the first and last year created, as well as the option to create a range of years. Once I select OK to confirm the year I want to create, the green checkmark informs me that the process completed successfully. More importantly, notice that the financial periods are all created for me based on the number of periods that were predefined in the system. Acumatica also creates the periods in an inactive status, so users can't accidentally post to a period that was just created. If you make changes to the master calendar, the system also modifies all existing company calendars to reflect these changes. In legacy systems, this step may require you to log into each company and repeat the process multiple times. From here, I want to open two periods, January and February, since we have transactions that need to post to both those periods soon. Opening periods is handled in Manage Financial Period. Select the ending financial year, and the financial periods will be listed that are available for processing with this type of action. Notice if I mark February, Acumatica automatically marks the prior periods, eliminating the need for the user to select each one individually. This can save the user many unnecessary clicks. Once the financial periods are selected, click Process. Acumatica will open only the periods that are selected. Acumatica's processing window informs me of how many periods were open and provides additional detail. Acumatica's Finance Workspace makes my job as a CPA easier, allowing me to create and open multiple fiscal periods across all companies in just a few simple transactions. Doesn't your organization deserve this kind of ease of access? For more information, check out the Acumatica Financial Management Suite preview at rocktonconnect.com.